Hello, restaurant owners, and welcome back. I'm Angel Lucero, and today we're talking about restaurant owners who are looking for the recipe to boost their restaurant success. In today's digital age, the secret ingredient is leveraging the power of social media. So let me take you on a journey where we unravel the art of using social media for restaurant promotion. First, think about the visuals. Your social media profile should be a feast for the eyes. Share behind-the-scenes moments to show the passion and dedication that go into your dishes. Capture the joy on your customers' faces, turning them into your best promoters. Now, about posting. Consistency is key. Create a content calendar to keep your audience engaged. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages, making them feel heard and valued. Use social media insights to understand what's working and what's not. But the magic of social media isn't just about what you post. It's about how you interact. Online reviews can make or break your reputation. Encourage satisfied customers to leave glowing reviews. Consider running paid ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram to reach a wider audience. Special promotions, contests, and giveaways can create buzz and drive traffic to your restaurant. But most importantly, stay true to your restaurant's unique identity. In the end, leveraging social media is not just about boosting sales, it's about building a community. So are you ready to embark on this journey to restaurant promotion success? If you like personalized guidance on implementing these strategies or have questions about increasing your restaurant's foot traffic, don't hesitate to reach out to our agency. You can connect with us through our website at luceromarketing.com or give us a call at 973-222708. We're here to help you succeed.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope these strategies help you transform your slow days into profitable ones. In our next episode, we'll be discussing another vital aspect of restaurant success, so stay tuned and subscribe for more valuable insights. Until then, thanks for watching and happy promoting.